coronavirus pandemic has infected over 46.8 million people, have claimed more than 1.2 million lives. The White House has accused top health expert Anthony Fauci of playing politics days before the election. A blast followed by gunfire have been reported near the main university in the Afghan capital on Monday. In the United States presidential election will be held on Tuesday to elect the 59th president. The trial is set to begin this week after a long-awaited appeal against a ban of wearing a hijab by social rights groups in Canada. Pakistan and Saudi Arabia have agreed to undertake joint efforts for promotion of cooperation in the field of information technology. Egypt will reopen the Rafah crossing with the blockaded Gaza Strip on Monday. In the Philippines, the death toll from the Typhoon Goni has climbed to 16.